Okay, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new Gshock G-2100 Metal Series, the Moon Edition. This is, I think, sold out in probably most places. I was able to get one here in Tokyo from Amazon. I think they're all sold out now at this point. Here's the module wrapper. I'll put that aside. Get a look inside. I think I've seen some pictures online of this tin. It's a nice little decorated tin. Has a little bit of moon effect with some gold and silver speckles. For those of you who don't know, actually in Japan, 90% of the time G-Shocks come in just the cardboard paper boxes. Tins are actually kind of rare here overall. I don't know why that is, but that's the way it is. So here is the actual watch inside a plastic bag, all wrapped up. Very well wrapped up. Okay. And double wrapped on the inside. The plastic wrapper. Get that off best I can. It's always a bit of a trick to find where the edge is. Okay, there we go. I'll leave the plastic on the keeper for the moment. So here we have the new Moon Edition G-2100. This is the GM, the M for metal. And here is the hang tag. So you can see it is the, let's get that into focus range, the GM-2100MG, I guess moon gold perhaps. Sticker price of, whoops, try to go away from the glare. It's 37,000 yen, 37,400 yen. Got this fortunately for the actual sticker price being Amazon. Right now, scalpers haven't really got a hold of it yet, but yeah, it's a cool piece. You'll see the pictures online. It looks really strong gold. In hand, it's much more mild. It's it's not in-your-face gold. I think I can actually wear this without too much concern. The dial has a nice texture, along with the obvious texturing of the bezel. It's got some little, I don't remember the G-Shock engraving on the side here on the regular metal ones, but it's here on the gold one. The back has a picture of the surface of the moon. Nice little extra touch. Yeah, nice piece. I mean, I think they're already out there. Scalpers have got them and trying to trade them for high prices. Whether it's worth it to you or not is going to be up to you, of course, as with any watch. I like this one. I'll probably keep it rather than sell it. I do like moon-themed watches. I was born the year of Apollo 11. As a little nod to my actual age. I have a Speedmaster moon watch, manual wind, and I have the Bulova moon watch, quote unquote, in PVD black that I also like quite a bit. So this will go to that collection. Yeah, really cool piece. I think anyone who's concerned about it being too strong gold, it's a hell of a lot more mild than the full metal gold squares. This is, it's almost a, it's a pale gold, I'll say. It's got a lot of silver in it, this gold. It's very wearable, I think, and a lot of fun. So there you go, as a quick unboxing, the new Moon Square analog, I guess we call it the Square analog, CasiOak, whatever you prefer, Moon Edition. If you can find one and you're worried about the gold or being too flashy, I wouldn't worry about that. It really isn't as bad as some pictures online show, especially the Casio photos. So there we go. If you find one, grab it, enjoy. We're in good health. Cheers, everybody.